Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to our purse collaboration. I have been super excited about today. I love handbags, I love purses, and I have a box to unbox today. Yay! Well, welcome, and you should have already seen Chere at Single Mom Review and Suzie at Dragonfly Bees. I'm now. After me is Jamie at AKA The Bag Lady. She usually goes last, so this will be a new one, I think, for her. Misty is next at Misty at Skeeter Jones. Then we've got Debra at Timeless Jewel by Debra. Cammy from Cammy's Craftiques is after that. Then it's Pat Garza. And last but definitely not least is Christina at Stina Resells. I adore all these ladies. I really have gotten to know them just, you know, from doing YouTube and being in unboxings and, you know, collaborations with them. And it's a great group of women. I hope you all enjoy their videos as much as I enjoy their videos. And I've learned a lot from them, have had some great conversations with them. And so I really hope you are able to watch a lot of these videos. So the first thing I want to do today is say a giant thank you to these women and also to all the people who have paid any attention to my YouTube channel. I started this less than a year ago. I didn't know what I was doing. I still don't always know what I'm doing, but I try my best. I know what I'm doing on eBay for the most part, but you know, YouTube's fairly new to me still. So I've gotten used to it though, and I just wanted to say thank you to all those who have subscribed. I did hit the 500 subscriber mark a few weeks ago, and I've been just trying to decide what to do as a giveaway, and I have decided I'm going to, a week from this unboxing, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for my 500 subscribers. So in order to qualify to receive that giveaway, all you need to do is comment on this video and also subscribe to all of these other ladies, all of these other channels. Subscribe to these other channels, leave a comment below, and I will draw for the winner 1 week from the day that this airs. So, all right, are you ready to see what my giveaway is? Here it is. You're not going to believe it. 2 things. This Tory Burch bag. This is one item that I'm giving away. It is pre-owned. I bought it from ThredUP. It's in really good condition. You can kind of see. It's coated canvas, and on the inside, there's actually some marks, but it's in mainly good condition. There are some marks on it, but anyway, I mean, it's free, right? So this is one thing I'm giving away, and the other thing I'm giving away is this pair of earrings that whoops, I gotta put them the right way here. This pair of earrings that I made myself with my own 2 hands, and I made it out of a Christian Dior gift box. And so this is my giveaway, this and this. These 2 things I'm giving away. This giveaway is just by me. It's nobody else. It's not sponsored by YouTube or anyone else. It's just me giving it away. The winner must be in the US, and there's no cash value to this giveaway. So but the person has to be in the US and leave a comment below and subscribe to all the other channels. So there we go. A huge thank you for being a subscriber to my channel. I super appreciate you. Thank you so much. All right, now on to what am I doing as my purse collaboration activity? I am doing a unboxing of a ThredUp rescue box. I'm doing the name brand handbag box. That is what I'm unboxing today. So all of these bags will be for sale. I will research and put a price in here for you. And if you're interested, email me at mystepstyle@gmail.com. All right, are you ready? This box came to me like this. This was hanging up the side. So let's see. All right, name brand rescue, name brand handbag. So this comes from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, as do almost all of the boxes I get. So let us open this up and see what we get. We only have 1 piece of tape here. I'm kind of nervous. I've gotten some really good ones of these and then some not so good ones, so you know, let's just see what I got. It's the bigger box and it's the older box design. I don't know if that matters one bit, but all right, we have got a cover of tissue paper here. Oh golly gee, oh my gosh. All right, here's the top. you can clearly see what's right there. You can only see one thing. And I'm gonna move this over here actually. All right. Oh my goodness sakes. The first item is an absolutely beautiful silver Michael Kors bag, double handle. The straps are in good condition. Ooh, that's really good to see, because sometimes you get the straps that have the edge coat missing, or they're torn here, or you know. It's gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Look at this bag. I mean, look at it close up. It is really in good condition, so I'm a little scared to look inside. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, what? Oh, okay, it's like new. You are not going to believe this. It's like new. I don't see anything wrong inside. I don't even see a pen mark. Let's show you the other side. It's crazy. I can't even believe the good condition this is in. I don't know if this was a bag that just didn't sell for them. I don't see anything wrong with it. I will look it over before I make this video live, of course, and I will put any other marks in there, but it's in beautiful condition. Look at this. I can't believe it's in this box. Okay, that is a total win right there. Super stoked about that. Michael Kors, yes. All right, you ready for the next one? Are we gonna get the token Kate Spade? I think we are. Which I like Kate Spade, don't get me wrong. But we get it. Oh my gosh, no, this is another Michael Kors. Look at this bag. Oh my gosh. This is the Saffiano, a double handle, Saffiano leather, Michael Kors. Of course, it's been in this box. It hasn't, you know, it lost a little bit of shape because it's been in this box, or who knows where else it's been, but okay. This is really cute. It's a Saffiano bag, double handle, Michael Kors. Give you kind of a close-up look here. This is gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. You can always get a good idea about a bag from the bottom side of it, right? Because who knows, that usually shows the wear. There's one mark on it I can see from the outside, and that is right there. There's a mark right there you can kind of see. But let's look at the inside. Always a little scared. Okay, oh my gosh. I think I'm hitting the jackpot with this bag, or with this box. Okay, excellent condition. I can't even believe it. There's that side. There's that side. You can see the Michael Kors. Let's see. Yeah, you can see the logo there. So that side's in excellent condition. This side does have a couple marks on it. Actually, no, that's a piece of fuzz. Okay, it does have a couple marks, but nothing bad at all. This is, I almost don't want to sell this, but we all know I have too many bags. So, well, I don't know if you know that, but if you follow me at all, you probably do. Oh, I see why it's in there. I just figured it out. It's right there. There's edge coat missing right there, so they couldn't sell it. It's only in one spot though, so it's not too bad, but give you an idea what it looks like. So that is that one. Very happy with that one anyway. A little edge coat, that's okay. I mean, I wouldn't mind buying a purse like that. Oh yes, 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 yes. And we've got the Kate Spade. But this is a really, really nice Kate Spade bag. I guess you call this a bowler bag, a double handle. And there's the logo. Really pretty. There's the bottom. Again, not much wear on this one. I'm going to have to look at the edge coat. There's the back. This is really pretty. The leather is kind of a pebbled leather. And there's, look at this cute hardware. It's so cute. Okay, the handles look good. So the handles are good. The outside is really good. Oh my gosh. Feeling pretty good about this. This is crazy. Look at the inside of this. It's in really good condition. It's not dirty. This is insane. I'm so excited about this. This is great. 3 good ones so far. Oh my gosh. Love it. All right, moving on. Ready? Let's do the accessory next. Okay, we've got a Kate Spade New York zipper-on wallet in kind of a bone or cream color. Got a few very light marks on the back. Like right there is one. And then right there's one. Not too bad though. Let's look on the inside. Do you ever just kind of hold your breath? Okay, the inside. Oh my gosh, this is great. Okay, this is perfect. Look at the inside of this thing. It's, wow. It's clean. it's a really, I'm going to show you up close the name, the logo, and it's in really good condition. There's a couple marks, like I said, on the outside. Just going to show you up close so you can kind of see. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. We've got one left. I don't know what the brand is because I couldn't tell just by glancing quickly. So, ready? Oh my gosh. It is a Festival of Michael Kors. This one looks like new. I mean, it is, wow. This one is great. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's leather. It's got some really beautiful, what do you call these? I'll think of it the minute the video stops. But the hardware is great. It's got these things on it. It's a one-handle bag. So it's a shoulder bag. It's got the cute logo. I'm going to show you that. The color, in case it's a little off, it's a brown. It's a brown. It's towards the reddish side, but it's brown. Maybe this is why it's in there. It's got some discolor here on the leather, but for the most part, it looks absolutely wonderful. The inside is excellent. It's clean. It's like new. It's really, really cute. This bag is, wow. If it had a crossbody strap, I think I'd have to keep it. It's really, really pretty. Yeah, so, okay. Super happy with this box. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know below. They're all for sale, though. Here's this one again, the shoulder bag, the Michael Kors. Excellent condition. Just a little bit of fading in one small part. We've got the Kate Spade ivory/cream colored zip around wallet with a couple marks on the outside. We've got the double handle, super cute Michael Kors. It's got, I don't know, I didn't show you how many compartments this has, by the way. This has many compartments. And it's got an open, no, it's got a magnetic clasp top. So that is the next one. The next one is the Kate Spade black leather bag in really good condition. All of these are, by the way. Wow. And we've got the silver shiny silver leather Michael Kors with the beige handles. It's a tote bag. It's a small tote bag. So that is the bag, the box. I'm super happy. That's one of the best ones I've ever gotten. Usually I get one that has kind of some ickiness in the lining that's really hard to clean, and it's really hard to clean the inside of a purse unless you can pull the lining out. So, all right. So don't forget to like everybody else's channels and watch the rest of the videos if you can, and comment below to be entered for this drawing, which will happen 1 week from the airing of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.